Hello everyone, this is Sherwin here from OS, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use transit on maps. Now, apologies for this video being slightly later than it would normally be. I just haven't had the time to get around to, edit everything and put it up onto YouTube. But anyway, I'm going to do it today. Now, transit is a new feature that Apple have introduced in iOS 9 and OS X El Capitan. And essentially what it lets you do is gain access to a map which basically shows all the train stations, tube stations, all that sort of thing. And this new feature is currently limited at the time of this filming, and at the time of the filming of the video these are the cities that are supported. Some of these will be only available at the launch of the final version of the software, and these are Baltimore, New York, Berlin, Philadelphia, Chicago, San Francisco, London, Toronto, Mexico City and Washington DC, and some various other ones in China such as Beijing, Shenzhen, and a few others which I'm not going to attempt to pronounce. Don't want to offend anyone, but yeah, they are all up on the screen now, so you should be able to see those, and 300 more which will be the cities in China which will be available at launch. So that's sort of an introduction about transit. Now I'm going to open up maps here. I've already opened a window and I've essentially just zoomed in to London because obviously I'm in the UK and that's the nearest city. That's I think the only city in the UK that supports transit. Anyway, let's move on. So I'm on the standard map, and if I want to view transit directions, what I can do is I can go up here to where it has the map mode, and if I just click on transit, it will now change the map to view a transit mode. So this will show all the different lines. So obviously it's London, so we've got all the different tube lines, and it's got the same sort of colouring as you'd normally find on a tube map. And the way this works is if you want to get somewhere, so say if I want to go here to the Institution of Contemporary Art, I can just click on it. I think if I directions to here, and as you can see I can wait a bit and it will show me how I can get there. Now the great thing about this is you can say when you're going to leave by using the suggested times, or you can put your own custom time, and that's a good feature to have. And the other great feature is that it actually gives you directions sort of step by step, so you have distances for walking. So this route here at the top, for example, details, it will give me all the various things I have to do, including walking directions. So that's helpful if you want to know how much you need to walk. Perhaps say if it's raining, you may want to choose a route that has the least walking. But anyway, that's a good feature. Now transit, as well as supporting trains and tubes, it also supports bus stations. So that's bus stops, and that's a great feature to have, obviously, because not everyone just travels on the train, and you will need to use the train along the way. Now, if I go zoom back into London, what I can do is I can click on a station, and I can click on the information, and I can actually view all my information from here and get directions straight from here. However, if you tap on a station, you can also see all the lines going through it, so that's a nice feature. And yeah, so that's pretty much transit, I think. I'll have a list of all those stations, sorry, not stations, cities that transit is supported in the description below. And obviously if you have any questions or comments, do put them down below as well. Send me an email, etc. Do remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.